how to delete a journal entry in QuickBooks. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, log in to QuickBooks Online. Access your QuickBooks account online using your login credentials and then go to the QuickBooks App Store and search for transactions and connect the app by following the prompts in the app section of QuickBooks Online. Once connected, access the transactions directly from your QuickBooks Online account and inside the Transactions tab, find the Delete option to manage your journal entries. Now filter and select entries. Use the advanced search and filter tools to locate the journal entries you want to delete. You can filter by criteria such as date, type, or amount. You can back up the journal entries by tapping on the download button before you delete them. After you back up the data, select the desired journal entries and confirm the deletion to complete the process. So this is how you can delete a journal entry in QuickBooks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.